This video is on arithmetic progression, AP of exemplar. In this video, I have explained first 5 sums of exercise 5.3. This is part 5. Now this is exercise 5.3. Its first question is, match the APs given in column A with the suitable common differences in the column B. So in column A, 4 questions are given to us. And in column B, common differences is given to us. We have to match them. Its first part is, here AP is given 2, -2, -6, -10 onward. So what is D here? -2 minus 2, that is -4. So B4 is the answer. So A1 matches with the B4. Its second part is, A is equal to -18, N is equal to 10, AN is equal to 0. Write the formula for AN. A plus N minus 1D. Now AN is 0, A is -18, and N is 10 minus 1 D. I am to find D. It means 0 is equal to -18 plus 9D. So 18 is equal to 9D. It means D is equal to 18 by 9, that is equal to 2. So B5 is the answer. So this is A2, this is B5. A2 matches with B5. Now the third part is A3. That is, here A is 0 and A10 is equal to 6. 8 and 6 means A plus 9D is equal to 6. Value of A is 0, so 9D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6 by 9. It means this is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means B1. It means A3 matches with B1. And its fourth part is, that is A4. Here A2 is given 13 and A4 is given 3. A2 13 means A plus D is equal to 13. A4 3 means A plus 3D is equal to 3. So by elimination method, so D is equal to 10 by -2, that is -5. It means A4 matches with B2. Now here A1 matches with B4, A2 matches with B5, A3 matches with B1, and A4 matches with B2. Now the second question is, verify each of the following is an AP and then write its next 3 terms. There are 5 sums and its first sum is 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 onward. Now this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Find A2 minus A1. That is 1 by 4 minus 0 is 1 by 4. And A3 minus A2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. Then find A4 minus 8, that is 1 by 4. Common difference is same. So this forms an AP. Now this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So I am to find A5, A6, and A7. Now A5 is A plus 4D. Now here A is 0, 4, D is 1 by 4. That is equal to 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now A6 is A plus 5D. Is 5 by 4. And A7 is, that is 3 by 2. So next 3 terms will be 1, 5 by 4, and 3 by 2. This is how you will do this sum. Now first I am to find whether this forms an AP or not. So A2 minus A1 is equal to -1 by 3. A2 minus A1 is -1 by 3. A3 minus A2 is -1 by 3. A4 minus A3 is -1 by 3. So common difference is same. So this forms an AP. Now here A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus 1 by 3. So I can find next three terms. A5, that is 11 by 3. A6 is equal to 10 by 3. And A7 is equal to 3. So next three terms will be 11 by 3, 10 by 3, and 3. Now its third part is, now you have to prove root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3, whether it is an AP or not. Now here this is A1, A2, A3. A2 minus A1 is 2 root 3 minus root 3, that is root 3. And A3 minus A2 is equal to 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that is root 3. So common difference is same. It means this forms an AP. Now find, now here A is equal to root 3 and D is equal to root 3. Now find next three terms, means A4, A5, and A6. Check it yourself. Now in fourth part, you have to check whether A plus B, A plus 1 plus B, A plus 1 plus B plus 1, this forms an AP or not. Let me take this as A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now here A2 minus A1 is equal to A plus 1 plus B. This is in one bracket minus A plus B. Just open the bracket with 1. Similarly, A3 minus A2, 1. It means common difference is same. So this forms an AP. Now you have to find A4, A5, A6. So A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Now here A is equal to A plus B plus 3 and D is 1. It means this is A plus B plus 3. Now A5 is A plus 4D. It means A plus B plus 4 into 1, that is A plus B plus 4. Similarly, A6 will come out to be A plus B plus 5. So these are the next three terms. Now the fifth sum is A, 2A plus 1, 3A plus 2, 4A plus 3 onward. Now we have to prove whether this forms an AP or not. Now here this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to 2A plus 1 minus A. That will come out to be A plus 1. A3 minus A2, that is 3A plus 2 minus 2A plus 1. That will come out to be A plus 1. A4 minus A3. That will again come out to be A plus 1. It means common difference is same, so this forms an AP. Now you have to find A5, A6, A7. Now A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is equal to A plus 4, D is equal to A plus 1. That is A plus 4A plus 4. That is 5A plus 4. Similarly, A6 will come out to be 6A plus 5. And A7 will come out to be 7A plus 6. Check it yourself. Third question is, write the first three terms of an AP when A and D are given. There are three parts in this. I'm going to solve the third one. Two are very easy. You can do it yourself. So I'm going to do the third part. Here A is equal to root 2 and D is equal to 1 by root 2. You have to write first three terms. First term A1, that is A, that is root 2. Now the second term is A2 is equal to A plus D. Here A is equal to root 2 and D is equal to 1 by root 2. Now LCM is root 2. You will have 2 plus 1. That is 3 by root 2. Now A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is root 2 plus 2 into 1 by root 2. That is root 2 plus 2 upon root 2. Root 2 is the LCM. You will have 2 plus 2. That is 4 by root 2. So first three terms are root 2, 3 by root 2, and 4 by root 2. Now the fourth question is find A, B, and C such that the following numbers are in AP. A, 7, B, 23, and C. Now it's given these numbers are in AP. These numbers A, 7, B, 23, and C are in AP. I'm going to solve this sum with the two method. Now the first method is, now this is in AP. It means common difference is same. So 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7 is equal to 23 minus B is equal to C minus 23. So we know if this is in AP, so common difference should be same. Now I am to find the value of ABC. Now I'll start with this. So here 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to A plus B. It means 14 is equal to A plus B. So I have A plus B is equal to 14. Now let me take this. Now B minus 7 is equal to 23 minus B. So B plus B is equal to 7 plus 23. It means 2B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15. Now A plus B is 14, B is equal to 15, then I can find the value of A. So A plus B is equal to 14. Value of B is equal to 15. So A is equal to minus 15 plus 14, that is A is equal to minus 1. Now take the third one. 23 minus B is equal to C minus 23. Now 23 minus 15, value of B is 15, is equal to C minus 23. It means 8 is equal to C minus 23. So C is equal to 8 plus 23, that is C is equal to 31. So I am to find the value of ABC. So A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 31. Now the second method. We know A, 7, B, 23 and C are in AP. Now this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4 and this is A5. Now here A2 is 7. This is given to us. A4 is 23. This is given to us. So A2 7 means A plus D is equal to 7. A4 23 means A plus 3D is equal to 23. By elimination method, find D. Minus 2D is equal to minus 16. So D is equal to 16 by 2. So D is equal to 8. Now A plus D is equal to 7. A plus D is 8. That is 7. So A is equal to minus 8 plus 7. So then A is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to B. This is given to us. A plus 2D is equal to B. Value of A is minus 1 plus 2. Value of D is 8. That is B. Minus 1 plus 16 is equal to B. It means 15 is equal to B. So value of B is equal to 15. Now A5 is given C. It means A plus 4D is given C. Value of A is minus 1 and value of D is 8 is equal to C. So when you solve this, C will come out to be 31. So these are the values of A, B, and C. So A is -1, B is 15, C is 31. Now the fifth question is, determine the AP whose fifth term is 19 and the difference of the eighth term from the 13th is 20. Now A5 is given 19 and A13 minus A8, that is given 20. I am to find an AP. It means A plus 4D is equal to 19 and A plus 12D, put it in the bracket, A plus 7D, that is equal to 20. These two things are given to us. It means A plus 12D minus A minus 7D, that is equal to 20. A and A cancelled. I have 5D is equal to 20. D is equal to 20 by 5, that is 4. D is equal to 4. Now A plus 4D is equal to 19. Value of D is 4. So this is 4 into 4 is equal to 19. A is equal to 19 minus 16. A is equal to 3. So I'm to write an AP. AP is A plus D, A plus 2D onward. It means 3 plus 4, 3 plus 2 into 4. That is 3, 7, and 11. That is an AP. So this is what we want to find. Now this is the end of the video. In this video, I have explained first 5 sums of this exercise. In the next video, in part 6, I am going to explain next 5 sums of this exercise. That is sums from 6 to 10.